This is the Vintage Coach Classic Shoulder Bag, style number 9170. And this bag was made in the 1980s in the original New York City factory, and it's in the color Tabac. And this bag, when it was made in the 70s, I believe it was just called the Classic Pouch, so it had the same style number, but it was originally called the Classic Pouch, I believe, and then later the name was changed to the Classic Shoulder Bag. So as the name suggests, it is a shoulder bag with an adjustable strap, so you can adjust the strap on both sides here. So I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the bag now. So here's the front again. It comes with the matching one-sided hang tag. So the back is just this nice suede texture, and then the front says Coach Leatherwear. And then here's what the sides of the bag look like. And then here's the back. And this one just has a straight across seam along the back of the bag. My understanding is that the New York City bags typically didn't have back pockets, at least not from what I've seen. So this one's just got a straight across seam back there. And then when we open the bag, it's got a back zip pocket on the inside back here, and it's got the slip pocket in the front under the flap like I mentioned before. So it does have two pockets, just no back pocket. And it also comes with this little booklet of paperwork that originally came with the bag. So it's got these little sales inserts. This one has a picture of a belt, a little advertisement on it. And then it's just got some more information about the bags. So it's really cool. It was really nicely preserved over the years. And then of course it does have the Creed on the interior of the bag. Hopefully you can see that well on camera. If not, I'll insert a photo so you can see that the bag is authentic, of course. So that is the beautiful classic shoulder bag, style number 9170. And this bag is available now in our online shop. So if you wanted to check it out, I will leave the link below. And I should also mention that it's in really nice, beautiful condition. I don't think it was likely ever used. It just looks so nice, and the leather is still really stiff. So I think it's in like new condition. So like I mentioned before, the link will be below in the description box if you wanted to check it out. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy this bag, and I'll see you next time.